welcome back to my channel. My name is Pam. I'm from Pamela's Creations, and I'm in here today to do a tag. So I'm on my bed trying to do this because all my crochet hooks are in my room beside my bed. That's where I keep them, unless there is a few roaming around in other places, but this is where I keep most of them. And I was tagged by Keto Marny Crochet, and I will link her channel down below. She's the one that does keto, and she has taught me a lot about the keto lifestyle. And she crochets, and she does absolutely fabulous work. I will please go visit her channel and show her some crafty love. So I'm going to tag some people afterwards. If you weren't tagged, just go, and if you crochet and have crochet hooks, just do it. The people I tag are usually the ones, only crocheters that generally watch my channel. So I'm going to get started. So I'm holding with one hand here, so bear with me. It says, what's your favorite brand of hooks? Well, my favorite brand of hooks are these tulip crochet hooks. Here. They're my nice ones. And the soft touches, Clover Soft Touch. And the Clover Amours, which I love. Okay, those are my favorites. Top 3. It says, what's your favorite size of crochet hook? My favorite size is, let's see here, a 6mm. An eye hook. No, it's a 5. This is an eye hook. So 5.5, and sometimes I will deal with an H hook. I do sometimes crochet with 4 points or 4.5, depending on the hook, and I will do a 3.5, but that's rare. Let's see here. Do you prefer the tapered hook or the inline hooks? I prefer the inline hooks. That's what these are. I like them much better, and they're easier to work with. I don't like tapered with the Boye. How do you grip your hook? Pencil or knife grip? I pencil grip my crochet hook. Sometimes I do it like this, but that's only for just a small amount of crocheting. But normally I have to hold my hook like this. Okay. And it says, do you have a style of hook that dictates on how you crochet? No, not really. I just kind of go with the flow. So, you know, I guess the size of the hook, I guess it depends on the brand of the hook and the size of the hook, but I pretty much, it's all the same for me. So, let's see. Do you prefer Egronomics hooks or regular hooks? I prefer the ones with the grips on them. I don't like regular hooks, even though I have them, because they're crochet hooks and I collect them anyway. But I prefer grip handled ones. Okay, what is your thoughts on lighted crochet hooks? I have a whole pack of lighted crochet hooks, except I'm missing one. I like, depends on what kind of yarn you use. If I'm using dark or black yarn, I will use it. Let's see here, let me get it turned on. So that's my crochet hook. If I'm crocheting like black yarns and darker yarns that I have a hard time seeing, then I'll use these. They're okay to crochet with. You know, they're okay. But I have a whole thing of them, so yeah. Have you used the hook, used a hook with interchangeable heads? And so your thoughts? No, I haven't. So I can't really say for sure on that one. And It says, do you like projects that require small stainless steel hooks or larger hooks? Larger hooks. I do have stainless steel hooks in a little container downstairs somewhere. They're a whole set, but I very seldom crochet with those because they usually for like doilies and things like that, I can't, that's hard for me to do and it hurts my hands. So I can't really do that. And number 10 is, if you were only allowed to use two hooks for the rest of your life, what size and brand would they be? They would be the Clover Amour, oops, right here, or my tulips. Now, I did have these. Let me unzip this real quick. It's in my llama bag. Isn't that cute? Save drama for your llama. And I bought these back in January. And these are really nice too. I forgot about them. Oops, I dropped one on the floor. I'm making a blanket that I've been working on forever, and I've been using this one. So these ones are not bad. They're a Boye, so they're not the inlines. But I'm not a real fan of them. But I do like these ones. For some reason, they work well for me. And there's a whole bunch of them. I got them from Touche Crochet. I bought a whole set. And they're wooden hooks. And then I got my furls. My wooden furls, which I am not a fan of. So, yeah. And then the only thing I have left are my Tunisian crochet hooks. Right here. So all I have are my Tunisian crochet hooks. And these ones here, which I haven't used yet. So, all right. So that's my tag about my crochet hooks. I want to tag some people. Hang on one second. I also want to tag Shelly from Sassy Stitches as well. And I will link her channel down below in the description box. Okay, so I'm going to tag a few people. The first person I want to tag is Linnea Cozy Crafts, Tina by Crafts by the Rose, Priscilla by Distinctive Crochet, and DOY Creations. I will put the answers or the questions in my description box with the people I tagged also. And I hope you like this video. This is something I have put a little crochet a little bit on the back burner, but I do crochet at night usually, or if I'm tired I don't, because right now I'm working on a blanket and I'm working on a few other projects. So I do crochet at night. I'm just a slow crocheter as I am a crafter. So yeah. Anyway, these are my hooks, and I'm still missing, I still have a bunch somewhere else too. Anyways, guys, I let this video run for 8 minutes, so I will let you go. Have a great day. Please subscribe if you haven't, and hit the thumbs up and leave me a comment. All right, everyone, take care, stay safe, and God bless.